kids and the dogs having so much fun. Fun barking at each other, but you know what? It's all right. Absolutely having a blast. I wouldn't call this epic, but it sure is very nice. So we found this little place and we're just out here pretty much all by ourselves, except for the people in the water. But it is absolutely gorgeous out here.
All right, well, good morning, everybody. It's kind of a pretty sunrise over the desert lake here this morning. We got up because there was a fisherman right over next to the doorway of our tent, and he was right in here, and TR wasn't barking at him. He was just watching the guy. I guess he couldn't figure out what he was doing. You know, especially with a boat. So we are up. Well, me and Chris are up. I think the kids were up really late last night. So what we're going to do is make some coffee, which is important. And then we're just going to have a bacon, eggs, and hash browns for breakfast. And we are going to take our time getting up because we're going into Chloride Canyon this morning. It's Friday and a lot more vehicles have shown up. There's campers down there and there's campers over here somewhere. So more people showed up overnight, is for sure. Well, Chris is awake.
Good morning.
So I will get back to you after a little while here. I'm probably going to put the drone up to get some sunrise shots this morning. So, talk to y'all later. Up and just about ready to go. We are going to head to the ghost town of Chloride, and then we're going to go into Chloride Canyon. We're also going to stop in Winston, New Mexico. They're supposed to have kind of a cute little general store, so we'll go check that out, and then we will see you when we get out on the trail. Talk to you later. Bye. Shack.
Yeah, the one that goes, hey, he goes.
Well, I'll tell you what, this trail starts out really cool. The problem is you go through private property, which we are on now, and you're allowed to come through this area. You just have to make sure. I use Gaia, which I think most people probably know, and you really have to make sure that you stay on the trail.